Welcome back. In this video, we'll explore another powerful component, the data table component. In the editor view, open the Components panel and search for Data Table to get started. For building dashboards or displaying complex data, the data table component is a powerful solution. It transforms raw data into a clean, interactive experience. The table is fully dynamic and driven by JSON. In the Data Table Properties panel, you can connect a data source or simply paste your JSON directly. You can define column headers, adjust column widths, and control how your data is displayed. Enable interactive features like search to let users quickly find what they need, or add pagination to manage large datasets efficiently. You can even control how many rows appear per page, all from a single panel. It's a fast and flexible way to turn static data into a fully interactive table.